Today let us study 6th unit Biodiversity. Look at this page. This page is called Style Sheet. Style Sheet is talking about whole unit A, B, C. Environment, How Will the Dreamer Wake? A Tale of Three Villages. This page is called Face Sheet. Face Sheet is talking about only A. Environment or environment. What can we see in the style sheet? In this picture, we can see greenery trees and the girls hugged trees and girls are studying and they playing and birds were flying. We can conclude about this page is green atmosphere or good atmosphere. Second one is face sheet. What do you see in the first picture? Do you like it? If not, why not? I see lot of garbage thrown on the river bank near the houses. I don't like it even a bit as it is filthy. It is a breeding place of mosquitoes and other dangerous germs and insects that kill people. How is the second picture different from the first? Do you feel good about it? Give reasons for your view. The place shown in the second picture is very neat and hygienic, unlike the first. There is greenery everywhere. The roads are neat and tidy. It is free from pollution. I feel this is the kind of place one would dream to live in. We could have seen differences between two pictures. That is called biodiversity. Biodiversity means biological variations. Our lesson name is environment. Let us read lesson. Interview with Wangari Maathai, environmental activist and Nobel Prize winner. Wangari Maathai started the Green Belt movement and also fought for the equal rights for women in Africa. She is the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Read the excerpts from her interview with Nippon Hoso Kyokai, NHK Radio, Japan. Interview with Wangari Maathai. Interview means face-to-face meeting by asking questions and telecasting or broadcasting. Wangari Maathai is environment activist Nobel Prize winner. First one, she started Green Belt movement. Wangari Maathai is Green Belt movement founder. Second one is she fought for equal rights for women in Africa. Green Belt movement is a movement to protect environment. What made her to get Nobel Peace Prize? Since she started Green Belt movement and protected environment, she got Nobel Peace Prize. She led a group of women to protect environment. She was the first African woman won Nobel Peace Prize. Wangari Maathai was interviewed by Nippon Hoso Kyokai, NHK Radio, Japan. NHK Radio asked Wangari Maathai some questions and Wangari Maathai answered. Let us read the excerpts from her interview. NHK Radio. How did you become aware of the environment? Wangari Maathai. From the time we started, we were trying to respond to the basic needs of people in the rural areas, and people were asking for clean drinking water, for food, for energy, which is mostly firewood, for building material, for fodder for the animals, and all these come from the land. So we knew that what the people in the rural areas were asking for had to do with the environment. They did not have those things because the environment was degraded. So, from the very beginning, we understood that we have to rehabilitate the environment. From the time Green Belt movement started, Wangari Maathai responded to basic needs of people who are living in rural areas. People also asked for clean drinking water, the second for food, third for energy, which is the most firewood to cook, fourth one for building material or furniture to build the house, fifth one for fodder means grass for the animals. One thing is fact. Wangari Maathai made known all people how they can get their basic needs. Yes, they can get basic needs from the land. And people were asking for basic needs because they did not have basic needs. Wangari Maathai taught the people environment was degraded or damaged, destroyed. That's why people did not have the basic needs. Wangari Maathai made all the people to be understood environment was degraded so that people should rehabilitate, restore or re-establish the environment. They need to conserve or save the environment. Then only they can get all the basic needs. Let us see next paragraph. The forested mountains were the source of water and the source of rain. So, when you deforest, you cause a shortage of water and a change of rainfall patterns, and therefore, people are not able to get food and water. Therefore, in order for them to have a good environment that can sustain their livelihoods, it's important to have a government that accounts to them, that protects them, that protects their interests, that is concerned about their lives. Forested mountains means mountains covered with thick green forest. These forest mountains are mountains source of rain. Where there is forest, we can get rains. When people deforest or cut trees, causes shortage of rainfall or insufficiency of water. Changing rain pattern means it is not raining on time in rainy season, but untimed rains. Let us see next part in next video. Thank you for watching.